Ki pulit ka anti-narcotics task force ANTF hakamit jong kasantrik nailur kila yok ban kem no ya kawi ka longkmie na nongra nong pedeng bat yok ban kurup no ya drok heroin uba kia ars pak khat pra point kendai pesau gram bat uba shongdor hadu shiklur tingka hadien bala yok ya kajing tip ka bathikna ki pulit ka ANTF kila pelong ka jingkhan ra hapo kawi ka yeng ba shongwai da kawi ka longkmie ka bakar teng ka neng nei lehing khongsai Sapwais namrta hanongra nong pedeng. Hakaba kila yok ban kurup no haduk khat pratali ki sunduk saban balathep ya suba drok heroin naka kamra ka bakasa. Ki pulit kila kem no ya kani ka longkmie bala register ki sapo ki kendon joka NDPS Act ba ka jingto okit kadang ya syakman pan lapdien syu iki weipan ki bedan kti hakani ka kambaman.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.